Gravity Assisted Power Project tilt table version. So this is based on a wave generator. Idea taken from another example that was given on YouTube. Basically, the table tilts back and forth, and the upper pendulum, travels in a full 360. I'm doing a manual operation at this point. I have 60-pound weights installed on the tilt table counterweight. We'll have a DC windshield wiper motor, 12 volts, 2.5 amps at the input, rocking the tilt table back and forth. That's kind of overkill because the force required to get this thing to swing back and forth to make the upper pendulum rotate is minimal. So we should have no problems there. We use DC motor control to adjust the speed, so we can adjust the the oscillation on the tilt table, and then we'll add a transmission going to a bike wheel, and we'll try to get the RPM at the PMA as high as possible. So closer to 600 RPM, the closer to 10 amps we'll be able to generate going into a 12-volt system. So, and that was verified from another video on YouTube. Basically, from my own experiments with the hand crank generator, I'm able to generate a maximum of 7 amps going into a 12-volt system. But I have no idea what the RPM was. I imagine it was, well, obviously it's less than 600. But so more to come in the future. I should be testing probably within a week. So real easy to fabricate. You could probably just use a bicycle, flip it on its side and attach a large lever arm to one of the cranks and run the PMA off the back tire. There's all kinds of ways you can fabricate this thing. But it looks, at this point, the outcome looks positive. Should be able to generate more electricity at the output than what's going into the device. That's my prediction, anyways. So, enjoy the day. Cheers. So, rocking back and forth, oscillates in a full 360. Things will have to be beefed up a little bit and make sure all the shafts are square. But well, I'm looking forward to a positive outcome. Have a great day. Cheers.